Assalamualaikum Miss Anis. So today we are going to do a poem recitation by Emily Dickinson. So a little bit about the author is that Emily Dickinson was born on 10 December 1830, but sadly she died at the age of 55, 15 May 1886. So her occupation has always been a poet, and she has one brother and one sister.
The saddest noise, the sweetest noise, reflects on the bittersweet relationships between the beauty and grief.
This poem has used literary devices such as metaphor, personification, and symbolism.
The reason why we choose this poem is because of its relatable themes of grief and nostalgia that many students can relate to and connect with it.
And this poem is also pretty short and simple, and it helps us understand poetry deeply.
The saddest noise, the sweetest noise, the maddest noise that grows. The birds, they make it in the spring, at night's delicious close.
Between the March and April line, that magical frontier, beyond which summer hesitates, almost too heavenly near.
It makes us think of all the dead that sauntered with us here, by separation sorcery made cruelly more dear.
It made us think of what we had and what we now deplore. We almost wish the siren throats would go and sing no more.
An ear could break a human heart as quickly as a spear. We wish an ear had not a heart so dangerously near.